Alright, hey guys, I've been searching and scouring the internet to find how to change the alternator in a P3 Volvo T6. Didn't find anything. I do see like now and then I see like a forum about changing like a time belt or something, but all of those mention taking out the intake manifold, which is right here. It usually sits right here across the front. It's like a black plastic tube looking thing. Take that off. You need to take out the 7 screws, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 screws that are 10 millimeters, bolts, screws, whatever. And then after that, you have to take off the bottom where the throttle body is. You have to take off the hose to reach the alternator. From what I've been told, there's no tensioner. It's just bolted into the side right here. So theoretically, all you have to do is take off the bolts. There's 2 right here, and I believe there's 2 at the bottom. There's a little electrical plug right there at the side. And then I'm guessing, I haven't gotten there yet, but you take off, it just should slide off the side and pull it out. So I'm gonna try that right now. Make sure you cover up these holes. You don't want anything falling in there. That would be a big no-no. So cover those holes and then yeah, attempt this. I'm doing this by myself, that's why I'm not really getting to film every single detail. But pretty much the alternator is right here. It slides into this little coupler right here, and that's it. I'm used to the older, like the S40s that have a tensioner and everything that makes you pretty much untighten the tensioner to take the belt off, all this extra stuff. So that's not necessary with this one. You just unbolt the 4 screws. There's 2 there, 2 up there. Trying to get it up there. 2 up there. Take those off. There is a electrical bolt on the side. I think that's a number 13. Yeah, 13 millimeter. And then there's a clip at the top one. There's this one here, and then there's this clip right here. Take those off, and then you're good. So now it's time to do everything backwards. I got the car running. I had to get it jumped because my battery's been dead for a while. What I did forget to do is put the hose back on properly. I had it on, but I didn't screw the clamp back together. So when I stepped on the gas, I didn't drive anywhere, but I stepped on the gas to give it a little revs or whatever, and the hose popped off. Made a little pop noise and then popped off. So I gotta put that back on. I had to take off the intake manifold again. And also, make sure the car's not warm or even remotely warmed at all, or if it is, make sure to try to cover over where this little plug would be, because it will shoot out coolant. And I got some on my alternator. I'm hoping it didn't get inside, or if it did, it didn't really mess with anything. I'll have to leave it to dry for a little bit before I turn it back on again. I don't want it to break. So yeah, just a little heads up. But I'll try to do a little video after I'm done putting everything back together. Anyway, I replaced my alternator like 2 months ago, I believe, or 3 months ago now. And I got it done at a shop. Car ran fine after I got it back and everything. I came up to Atlanta to go to a car show, Import Alliance. And on my way back, I was driving around 2 o'clock in the morning to go back to Tampa. I ran over something in the middle of the highway. Don't know what it was. And there was cars on both sides of me, so I couldn't avoid it. And it destroyed my skid plate and oil pan. I'm guessing that's what got into my alternator to make it stop working. I don't know, but it was kind of fast for an alternator to go out in 3 months. So I don't know what happened. I got a warranty on the alternator itself, so they sent me another one to get put in here. Can't really afford to take it to a shop because it's too expensive, and yeah, so I changed it up myself. I did it before in 2 S40s. I did it a couple times actually, each one. I don't know why every Volvo I have an alternator goes out, but anyway, that's what happened. I'm guessing that's why the alternator stopped working. But this happened to the second time. I dropped a tool down here and in the bottom of the skid plate, so I have to take it off again. I dropped the screwdriver the first time. This time is the ratchet to get these bolts back in. Get this in focus. Get the bolts back in. So I gotta go under the car to get I gotta get the ratchet back out of the car. So pretty much it's done now. I got the hose clamp back on for the throttle body. See it right there. I try to tighten as much as I can with the screwdriver I had. I'm about to tighten a little bit more. I should be good after that. But I was trying to go get my tire fixed. And I guess it has a slow leak or something. My tire's kind of flat now. I was trying to get my tires fixed, and that's when the car started giving me issues. So that's my little story. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was informative for you guys. I hope to be making some more videos for this car because I want to get an intake done and exhaust, or at least a cutout or something. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't seen anything talking about the alternator for this car yet, so I'm guessing I'm the first one to have this issue or something, or at least attempted to fix it itself. But I'm rambling on now. I'm done. If you guys enjoyed this video and it's informative, please subscribe. I do make a lot of cinematic videos. I'm a cinematographer as a full-time job, so I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. So far so good, knock on wood. I turned it on. It sounded like it had a misfire for a second, but other than that, it's running good. No code popped up yet. It was raining, so I had to run inside the car really quick. But so far so good. I'm kind of scared to rev it because I don't want the hose to pop off again. I need to retighten it down some more when it stops raining. I didn't want any water getting inside the engine bay, so yeah, so far so good. Gonna wait it out a little bit, let the battery charge because it wasn't charged at all. It was like it was a message on the screen before I started. It said battery low, power saving mode. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit to charge up. I can't really drive it yet because of the tire in the back. I need to get some air in it. I think we have an air compressor inside, so we'll see.
It goes on, and it don't stop, don't stop.